So, hi guys, it's me again, and ngayong araw, teka, tanggalin natin yung hide screen, bakit ka nakatago? Ay, magtuturo ako, paano i-set up yung talkback natin, dahil, bakit ka ako? Magtuturuan tayo. Lamang! Ay, hindi ka mga ganun. First things first, tayo sa settings. Kung wala naka-open talkback mo, imagine mo na lang. Punta ka. Accessibility or accessibility and convenience. Tapos kung nakalagay sa'yo, general, vision, hearing, punta ka sa, vision. Pero pag nakalagay sa'yo, accessibility, windows and gestures, blah blah, punta ka naman sa accessibility ulit. Tapos ngayon, hanapin mo dyan talkback. Kasi sa akin may Prudence, kaya may ganyan. Sorry na.
Download Prudence screen reader. PSR system
Prudence
service.
yan eh.
Screen.
Ito ang talkback.
Talkback provides use talkback.
Ito use talkback. Naka-on na yan, malamang. Kasi ginagamit ko. Ito shortcut. Inon ko na.
Talkback shortcut. Volume keys.
Let's see. Pindutin mo lang ang volume up and volume down. Ng 3 seconds ng sabay.
Talkback off.
Wala na akong talkback. So ngayon, try ko siya ibalik using this. Dahil nga naka-shortcut tayo. Ayan, nakabalik na siya.
Talkback on. Talkback.
So,
Talkback.
sana walang mag-message ako nag-record ako.
Talkback provides spoken key. Use talk set app info.
Punta ka dito sa settings.
Audio. Text to speak. Verbosity. Text to
Teka lang babagalan ko lang to.
14% pitch. Pitch 14% speech. Capital S. P. Pop. Speech rate. 14% speech rate. Progress bar disabled. P. Papa. Pitch disabled. 14%. Pitch 14% speech rate. Progress bar disabled.
Wait lang.
Typing focus delay. Speech rate disabled. Speech rate. Speech rate 114%. Speech rate 14%. Speech rate. Progress bar disabled.
Bagalan pa natin.
Speech
Medyo
rate 90%.
pwede na to.
Typing focus delay. Characters. Speech rate disabled. Language. Talkback settings.
Una nating puntahan yung new features. Huwag nyo na pansinin kasi mga pang-update lang yan.
Verbosity. Text to
Ito
speech.
na kaya sa
Audio. Heading.
text to speech.
Text to speech output. Preferred engine. Speech recognition and synthesis from
Sa ating prepared engine. Kung meron kang Samsung, di ba may sarili siyang TTS. Kung wala Google, TTS lang. Pero sa akin kasi dalawa dahil nga may Prudence ako. Pero naka-Google TTS naman ako.
settings. Button.
Settings, ayan ay pan-download lang naman ng mga bagong huwag yun na muna pansinin.
Language. Use system language.
Language, pipili ka lang dito.
Speech rate disabled.
Ito na yung kanina, speech rate, pitch, and
14%
ito lang. Pwede mong i-play yung sound
disabled.
na to.
Reset. But speech rate disabled.
Kasabot ngayon, hindi natin pwede. Ewan ko, basta wag mo pansinin.
Talkback settings. Verbosity.
Verbosity, ito yung may kinalaman sa paggalaw ng talkback. So,
Verbosity.
tayo dyan.
Choose a navigate up. Verbosity
Dun
details.
sa preset, huwag nyo na pakialaman dahil kailangan talaga nakaganyan yan.
Speak usage hints. After describing content, suggest how to use. Off. Switch.
Naka-off yan. Speak usage hints. After niya sabihin yung button, i-describe niya minsan kung paano ginagamit. Dahil nga marunong naman na tayo sa talkback, pwede ko na to siyang i-off.
Speak container info. Includes info while entering and exiting list grids and other containers.
Itong container
Off.
info, hindi ko to alam. Pero naka-off lang to.
Always speak number of list items. Speak
Ito naman.
Speak element type. Always speak number of list items. Speak count for all scrolling methods. Off. Switch.
Naka-off din yan. Kasi halimbawa sabi niya, item 1 of 2, item 2 of 2. Nakakahirap. Baga nag-scroll ka, page 1 of 25, sa Wattpad. Halimbawa, nagbabasa ako ng stories, ang scroll, nasa page number, naiirita ako, inop ko. Ito naman yung next.
Speak element type. For focus items. On. Switch.
Element type. Kailangan naka-on yan.
Speak window names. Speak system and input windows like when you switch to the status bar, notifications, or another keyboard. Off.
Window,
Switch.
pwede mo na itong i-off.
Speak notifications when screen is off. On.
So,
Switch.
bahala ka na kung gusto mo ay sinasabi pa rin niya yung notification kahit nakapatay yung cellphone. Kaya ako, mas prepared ko siya kasi nga, paano pala, if may importante, di ba?
Use pitch changes. Speak deleted letters in a higher pitched voice. On. Switch.
Pag nag-delete ka, mas malakas yung, kung ganito lang siya magsalita, ganito sabi niya, Jay, hindi Jay. Okay, iba diba? Pag delete nga lang.
Speak letters with examples. When you
Letter with
keyboard
example,
echo on screen
halimbawa,
keyboard,
H hotel or something.
Keyboard echo on screen keyboard. Characters and words.
So, ito, para pag pindot mo ng space, babasahin niya kung ano yung word na na-type mo.
Keyboard echo, physical keyboard. Characters and words.
O, ganun din to. Ito lang is physical keyboard. Pag kinabitan, pag nag-connect ka sa keyboard, gamit yung phone mo.
Capital letters. Say capital.
Capital letters, ang akin say capital. Pwede mo rin yung high pitch, voice, or may sound.
Speak
Pero mas
capital
prepared
letters.
ko talaga
Say
yung capital para alam mo talaga.
Speak text formatting. For changes like bold and italic. Text
Text
formatting
formatting,
options disabled.
pampatagal lang to. Hindi nyo ng pakalaman.
Speak element ids. For unlabeled button. Speak punctuation
Element
symbols.
ids at
Some.
punctuation.
Count repeated symbols.
Huwag mo ng
Speak
pakalaman.
punctuation and symbols. Some. Count repeated symbols. Announces.
To count repeated symbol, halimbawa, exclamation. Imbis na ganyan yung babasahin niya 5 exclamation. Pero siguro mga 3 pababa, babasahin niya question mark. Pero pag 4 na, 4 question mark. Ganun na siya magbasa.
Talkback. Image and screen descriptions.
Image and screen description, ano ba to?
Image. Get detailed AI description. Detailed talkback settings.
Ito lang ay pang-describe. Wag niya lang munang
Sound and vibration.
sound and vibration.
Sound. Accessibility volume.
Diba, may pinakita ko sa inyo, pwede mo lakasan yung, minsan pwede kong lakasan yung talkback ko, pipindutin ko yung pinaka-volume ng cellphone mo. Hanapin mo, katulad na to. Swipe left.
Navigate. Sound settings. Need 38%. 53. Talkbacks. 8.0. Accessibility. Sound and audio. Vibration. You can. Media. Click 53. 38. 50%. Accessibility. Progress bar.
Lakasan natin talkback para marinig.
60%. Sound and vibration. Navigate up. Button. Accessibility volume.
Accessibility volume.
9.0. Accessibility volume. Value 9.
Kung parehas tayo ng boses ng talkback, kung maganda yung 9.0, tapos naka 50 lang, or kung gusto mo na malakas, 60 mo. Pero dati naka 67 sa akin yung sa pinaka-volume niya, pero dito naka 9.0 siya.
Talkback speech rate.
Talkback speech rate.
90.0. Talkback speech rate. Value 90.
Ito yung binagalan ko kanina para medyo maintindihan nyo.
Sound feedback. On. Switch.
Sound feedback, pag enough ko yan.
Off. 90.0. Sound feedback. Off.
Pero pag
Switch.
inon ko yan,
On. 90. Sound feedback. On.
which
Off.
is mas comfortable ako dun.
On. Sound feedback volume. Match speech volume.
Pwede mo baguhin yan.
Audio ducking. Lower vibration feedback.
Audio
Off.
ducking,
Switch.
tsaka vibration, i-off mo na yan.
You can quickly sound and navigate up. Talkbacks. New features in talk.
So, meron kasi
Visual.
ditong
Change. Sound and change focus. Thick borders. Up. Navigate up. Thick color. Selected. Not selected. Radio but not
ito naman,
talkback settings. Display speech output. Controls. Heading.
itong
Change
focus
Controls.
delay at
Heading.
display speech output, hindi na natin yung kailangan.
gestures.
Gesture, pwede ka mag-customize dito. Halimbawa, yung dalawang finger mo, sabay mo itatap yung phone mo. Gamit dalawang finger, mababak. Pero, hindi talaga yun yung tunay niyang gesture. Kinustomize ko lang yan.
Edit menus.
Menus. Huwag mo na sa ngayon.
Keyboard shortcuts.
Shortcuts di natin need yan sa screen keyboard. Huwag na pakalaman.
Typing. On-screen keyboard. Braille. Heading.
Itong mga braille.
Braille keyboard. Your device doesn't support Braille keyboard. Disabled.
So, ayan. Braille keyboard. Your device doesn't support braille keyboard. Dahil ewan ko, bawal siya sa Realme. Pero sa Vivo, pwede yan. Vivo. Naka-Vivo kasi isa kong friend. Ewan ko lang kung gusto yung gamitin to, normal na keyboard na lang. Parang alam ko mas madali kasi ito, based sa experience ng iba naming friend, pero mas trip ko talaga yung keyboard eh.
Braille display.
To braille display, di ko pa to alam. Let's see.
Some commands have been updated. Okay. Braille. To use Braille turn on blue. Use Braille display. Off. Devices. Look for new device. Language. Look for new device. Disabled. Languages and commands. Languages. Preferred reading language. Unified English Braille.
Ito ay hindi ko pa alam ang nagawa ng braille display na to. Siguro next time ito try ko siya.
Talkback. Change focus indicator. Display. Visual. Display gesture. Keep typing. On Braille keep. Braille. Advanced. Advanced settings. Tutorial. Talkback tutorial. Help and feed. Contact Google Disability.
So, ayun lang. Ito, advanced settings, huwag niyo na pakialaman yan. Talkback tutorial. Pag bagwang ka pa lang, gusto mo ito matutunan, pwede ka dito.
Help and feedback.
Help and feedback. Di ko na kailangan yan. Ano yan, pang may i-report ka sa Talkback.
Talkback tutorial.
Tsaka yung contact Google Disability something. So, yun lang for today. Papatayin ko na muna yung screen. I mean, i-hide ko na siya dahil baka mamaya nung makita niyo sa notification shade ko, mga cited.
Keyboard. Hide screen.
So,
Talkback settings. Celestra.
peace out.
Expanded.
Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga.
Stop.